Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into State Farm easy method step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for State Farm's official website. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the login button. This button is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. A new window or section will appear, prompting you for your credentials. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. Be sure to double-check that both the username and password are entered correctly. If you want to stay logged in on this device, select the checkbox next to Remember Me. Once all information is filled out, click the Login button to access your account. If your login is successful, you'll be redirected to your State Farm dashboard. In case you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. If you're a new user, look for the Create an Account option instead. Follow the instructions provided to set up your new account. Once logged in, you can manage your policies and view other important information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.